welcome to Lena World. So here I am sitting right next to this gorgeous looking pumpkin. Pumpkin season is on. That means Halloween is just around the corner. Love pumpkins. I'm sure most of you do too. What we can make out of them? Soups. We all love pumpkin soup or pumpkin pie. We can steam pumpkin, right? Or like make pumpkin pancakes. We even make in this culture, loaded with a lot of antioxidants, vitamins, especially vitamin A, very good for our liver, for our eyesight, good for our skin, keeps our immune system nice and healthy. In Chinese medicine, it's known to enter our lung, large intestine, as well as spleen and stomach meridians. Now, what does that mean? That means it keeps our lungs nice and healthy, especially when they're the weakest link. When? In the fall season. That's when they're in season. So this is a good time to consume them, and that's why there are no coincidences in this Mother Divine nature to consume them when they're in season. And so if you have any tendency for any cough, or you want to prevent cough or already got one, consume pumpkin. It will resolve any dampness and stop any coughing you might be having. Now, it also keeps your colon nice and healthy, as I just said, because it enters stomach and spleen meridians. Also promotes blood circulation, improves it, right, as well as tonifies your qi. These are the benefits of pumpkin in Chinese medicine. Also, actually, in Chinese medicine, they say it's also very good for your eyesight, so very similar to the Western science. Now, in Ayurveda, it's known to balance all three doshas, but primarily it's very beneficial for fiery pitta because of its cool and wet nature. So many reasons, as you can see, many reasons to take pumpkin, enjoy it when it's in season, and devour in it, and make your body happy, because that's when the prana is at its peak, when you put what's in season, fresh, growing in that climate and that season, right into your body. And when pumpkins are gone, you can always consume pumpkin seeds. Again, a very beneficial source of magnesium, zinc, and fiber, good fats. So, and also, actually, pumpkin seeds are very, very good to dispel any worms you might be having in your system. Let's say you had some food which is not clean, and so that's a good way to dispel those worms out of your body, out of your large intestine. If you have out of your stomach, to consume pumpkin seeds. But of course, one time will not do. You have to consume them regularly. And interesting enough, in China, they even use leaves to make pumpkin soups out of it. So as you can see, every part of it can be used for one reason or the other. So again, welcome to this healthy world of pumpkin. Good for cough, to prevent, to stop your cough, to resolve any phlegm you might be having if you've got one already, to keep your colon nice and healthy, good for your liver, for your eyesight, for your skin, keeps your immune system nice and strong. Welcome to Lena World.